Hey, watch out for the you little croaky one. Hey, it's time to go on the truck on the road to the car. Zoom V8. What have you done here? Hey, what the heck? Come on, come on. It's 3, 4, 1. What? Yargy. No. I'm sorry. There has been a slight error. The answer is 312, 372. Aha! 342, not 372. Yay, 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 yay! Woohoo, woo, whoa! Let's pick up the kid and surprise him. Oh yeah, that should do it. Now let's do the trick. The number will be gone, so hurry. Oh, look! Hurry up, 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 hurry up. The roll to the rescue! You go trace the kids! What have you done? Ooh, it's empty. Come on, Uncle Donald. Oh, it's you again? We just get the oil. Oh, you have to mark that word. I'm sorry. You're out. Beat it! That should be done forever. Aha! Shut. Zoom V8 to the rescue. What do you think of my Subaru BRZ? Haha! Look at this. How strange she is. Oh. Aha. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Fill me up, boy. You got it. Look, it's filling up the air. Hey. Wait. Goodbye. Oof! Hold it. You doggone killer wobbers! Yeah. Aha! Donald Duck, your nephew's gonna be right back. You're gonna be getting a big surprise. Oh yeah, I'll show them. Dun. Aha! Hey, Uncle Donald. So, you meet again. Well, I'll show you this. Oh. No, Uncle Donald. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, Oh, it's too bad. Oi. No, 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 no. Turn. Aha! Uh-oh. Now there's a Zoom V8 in the here. Using flat protection. Balloon tires that float around and flying things. The end.